Hi and welcome to INTERLIFT 2022. We are live right now in Hall 5 and we take you with us for a guided visit here over the exhibition at Messe Augsburg. And right now I'm happy to meet a very innovative, powerful, well-known company from Spain. It's MPGO, and I'm really happy to meet them right now, get to know more about their innovations and what they are presenting here. And I guess my first guest, who is Hani Saliba, Distribution Business Director at MPGO, is also happy to meet people again in person, of course, here live at that trade fair, but also, of course, people who couldn't attend them in person.
Yeah.
They join us right now here at the platform.
Thank you, Monica. Good morning to everybody. As we said, today is a special day, special INTERLIFT lift. Not everybody is here because of the situation, so we are happy to be able to connect with our clients, with everybody from the sector through this direct connection.
Yeah,
okay.
You do that very well because your booth is crowded. People can meet here, people can chat, talk. Yeah, business is really doing well, and I think we talk now about more than just a configurator. We talk about MP Sherpa right now, and I just found out that it's an extremely powerful tool that will help you to become, as a company, more competitive and efficient. And yeah, it's designed for helping customers and organizers, so I would really like to know more about that. So tell us more about that new configurator and what are the advantages people have using it.
Okay, MP Sherpa was born to reduce the gap between the client and the factory. Okay, it's a big investment from MP. It's what we say. We used to have our configurator Helmate for now 20 years, but this is now a much higher level of technology. Okay. What we can do with MP Sherpa, our clients will gain in productivity and we will gain in lead times because they are able to make offers, quotes, orders also in minutes, and they will get all what is necessary to have the offer and have the order online. Okay.
So maybe some of the interested people watching us right now want to know what kind of solutions this new MP Sherpa is compatible with.
Okay, MP Sherpa today, for now, is covering our main product, which is MPGO Evolution. It's like more than 60% of our production, and it, in terms of capacities, from 320 kg to 1,600 kg, 1.6 meter per second. But we are working every day to include more features and more models. So we will be informing accordingly in the near future.
And you just mentioned it with the documents. So what documents exactly does MP Sherpa provide? In which time?
This is very important. MP Sherpa is able to give all the documentation necessary to make a complete offer and an order. This includes all, let's say, the offer itself, with all the features, with the pricing, with the lead time, with the delivery time. You have 2D and 3D car designs. Anything you can change in the configuration will be immediately translated to the drawings and to the design. And finally, you will get all the complete lift drawings in PDF, in DWG, and even in BIM format. With BIM format, we can see. Yeah. This is an example of BIM format when you get to this level. So you can see the whole lift in 3D dimension, and this is the real lift that you have ordered or you are offering.
Okay. This is new in your configurator, that you can also see those 3D BIM models. Okay, absolutely. Perfect, great. And you just mentioned, of course, MPGO Evolution, and let's talk about that. For those who don't know MP, what kind of lift is it, or what new features have you been integrating here and presenting also here at INTERLIFT 2022? Okay,
MPGO Evolution is our flagship product. MPGO Evolution, as I said before, is more than 60% of our production. Everybody that knows MP knows MPGO Evolution, and that his name says is evolving continually. In the year 2019, we had the 10th anniversary of this product, of this complete lift. But since then, we have many new advanced things that we have done, and we are showing today. In terms of product, it's a machine roomless elevator with the highest technology in gearless and electronics. It covers from 320 kg in capacity up to 1600 kg, up to 1.6 meter per second. And it includes, let's say, the maximum connectivity features in order to gain productivity in installation and maintenance, and also to give comfort to the user, to the end user, to the passenger. Okay.
And I already read that there are some new features, the head controller, the SynGo, and the advanced standby mode. These are all new features, and they are all presented here.
Since 2019, INTERLIFT in 2019, we have made many new things in Go Evolution model, but I think we will speak about three of them. We think that the most important. The first one is the head controller. The head controller, we can see.
Okay, yeah, just check here, perfect. Yeah.
This box, this black box, is connected to the lift, to the controller, and it creates a Wi-Fi connection, so you can do the connection with your mobile phone or your tablet. And this includes a whole, let's say, system of applications that helps the installer and the technician to make a faster installation, a faster maintenance, and to fulfill all the tasks related to this job: installation, commissioning, and maintenance. So this will enhance the productivity of our, let's say, distributors, the technicians on the job site, and also it will give more features to the end user with head controller. Let's say the second. There's no more there.
Yeah.
The second feature is that we have added is a door operator, new door operator, cabin door, what's called MPGO. It's let's say it's with a new motor. It's a small motor with advanced technology and new electronics that will give the maximum level of connectivity with the lift. Also, we gain in installation time, we reduce the commissioning time, and the comfort of the door. It's also very flexible. It can be used with any kind of door. And finally, what's the most important, the level of connectivity. It will be giving many information to the controller, and from there to our Internet of Lift system that we have in our lift. Dimensionally, it's 85 centimeters smaller than our previous Reveco door operator, so it will help to make, let's say, the cabin higher or the overhead smaller. Okay, and the third feature that we have included since the last INTERLIFT is advanced standby mode in our EcoGo controller. The standby mode, this standby mode will be helping the lift to comply, our Go Evolution lift, with a maximum, let's say, rating in the VDI 4707 and the ISO 25705 in terms of energy consumption, which is A, which is the maximum. Okay, these are the three main features we have done. There is a lot more, of course, but we don't have time to speak about it.
But these were the most important features you were just introducing to us. So thank you very much for showing us the new configurator, the new BIM integration, and of course also the new advantages of MPGO. Thank you very much. So we will continue here at your booth and right now meet a colleague from you.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Hani Saliva. Thank you. So right now we continue with the interview, and I think another lift expert, Eugenio Boresio, will right now join us here at our guided lift tour live from INTERLIFT 2022. So we just learned many new things here, new features here about your configurator, about MPGO. We learned how important connection is, and I guess this is our topic right now for this part of the interview. So let's talk about connected lifts. And first, how are you doing? let's start with the interview.
Thank you very much. We are doing well. It's a special fair. On one hand, it's noticeable that the fair is going on in a different way. On the other hand, we are very happy to meet all these partners. And of course, we want to say hello to all those who has not come to us. And well, we will see them soon, very soon.
Yes, I'm sure. And for that, we integrate them at our platform right now so that everybody can be here part of the INTERLIFT. And so let's start with the concept of connected lift. This has become more and more common. So what are these connected lifts and why are they important in the lift industry and for customers, of course?
Connected lift is a reality. Just like phones, just like cars, just like household appliances, it's now possible to connect lifts. A lift delivers a lot of data, and as the lifts are connected, we can exploit all this data in a different way. So, moreover,
they be connected in a building, in an area, in a region, in a whole zone? Why should lifts be connected?
They have to be connected because they bring productivity. They improve the performance of the lift. They make easier and better the job of the technicians, and they perform the experience of the users, of the end users. No? So it's a need. Just like cars, just like phones, within 5-7 years, it will be unthinkable to have a lift not connected.
But how exactly do users, like me, for example, or owners of buildings benefit from this technology?
You will see the benefits because it will bring more safety, and it will bring a non-stop lift. Sometimes you get the lift and you see the lift is stopped because there is a call out or something like that. With a connected lift, all this information, all this host of information will be managed in a way where the lift will non-stop. So it will bring more safety, and it will bring more a better performance of the lift.
So this is exactly a huge field you are working at for the connected lifts.
Yes, we are working on that since 5 years ago, and I insist all those companies which doesn't take this way, in a few years they will feel that they will be not in front of the technology, so they will not take, let's say, advantage of all these productivity tools. So this is my advisement. What I would say to all those companies is go deep into this technology because it will bring better productivity, it will bring better lifts, more safety, and with a new range, let's say, of services, new range of services in terms of media, in terms of many things. All right.
Is it possible to bring this interconnection between the lifts also in elder buildings and existing buildings, or is it only possible when you build new houses, buildings?
It is possible for existing buildings, for existing lifts. And in terms of the buildings, it will bring also new features because the control panel of the lift probably is more sophisticated installation in a building. Let's say we keep out public buildings, and through this control panel we can carry out new features. From the control panel of the lift, we can open the car door, we can open the door, we can manage, we can handle a lot of different installations. So this is definitely the future.
So thank you very much for bringing us closer to the future of the lift industry here at MP Lifts at INTERLIFT 2022. Thank you very much for joining us. It was a pleasure.
Thank you, Denise. Nice to meet you here, and you're welcome.
Thank you. So we say bye for now from MP, and of course you can know more about MP lifts in the internet, and of course you find them on LinkedIn and of course on the website of the INTERLIFT. So see you again soon. We say bye for now.